All right. What is this box equal to here? Okay. Eyes are back up here in 3, 2, 1. Okay. What does this term in my area model become? What's 9 times 7?
63.
What becomes inside my cube root?
56.
56W. My final answer, I'm just going to bring it down to the bottom because we're not going to do this word problem yet. My final answer became 9 cube root of 8W squared plus 63 cube root of 56W. My question now, are both of these terms in simplest form, yes or no? No. My 8, for example, breaks down to 2, 2, and 2. Do I have a set of 3 here?
Yes.
So now 8 just becomes, it disappears and it goes into the 9. What is 9 times 2? 18. My new answer now becomes 18, the cube root of what's left? W squared. What about 56? 56, if I'm not sure, breaks down into 2 and 28, 2 and 14, 2 and 7. Do I have a set of 3?
Yes, you do. Boy.
What is 2 times 63? 126. What's left inside? 7W. My final answer, I'll write it a little bit neater for us. (126) square root of 7.
This is what
Okay. Good grief. Okay? Remember, if I write down this answer, that's great. You probably get partial marks for it, okay? Especially coming a unit assessment or anything like that. They're going to be looking for this breakdown, okay, in simplest form.
Isn't that a cube root?
Oh, it is a cube root. Thank you. Okay? Make sure the last thing when you're dealing with radicals, when you come up to a final answer, the question you should be asking yourself is this in simplest form? Can I break down the radicand any further? Okay? Good?
Okay.
Can we move on? Are we good with that?
Boy, I can't even wait. Let's keep cannonballing.
So let's go. I like that. We're just going to keep on.
There's
You
still
need me to
little.
back up. That's why I said it like 5 times. I said,
do it by
are we
yourself,
good?
dude.
Are
And
we
I
good?
said no like 20 times.
Skylar, I apologize. I didn't hear it. You can just blame my old
Sky,
age.
just do it in your head.
I
Just do
blame
it in your head. You got it.
Blame my old age and my heart.
I
of
literally
hearing.
needed 7
I love Skylar.
You good?
That's it.
Now can we move on?
My little what?
Okay, now we're going to talk dividing. We talked about multiplying. We talked about multiplying, how you have to multiply coefficient by coefficient, radicand by radicand. When we are dividing, we're doing the exact same thing. Okay, side conversations, let's stop them, please. So now we have a bit of an issue, not an issue, we have a scenario where we can solve this in a couple ways. When we're dealing with dividing radicals, we can do two forms. Okay? If I look at 150, inside of that radical, do you think 150 is in simplest form or not? Yes or no? Is 150 in simplest form, or could I break it down even further? I could break it down even further, okay? I could either choose to break it down now, or I can choose to break it down after I do my dividing. The same rule applies, that I divide coefficient by coefficient, radicand by radicand. Jake, get off your phone. Okay? I split this up. Coefficient is being divided by the coefficient, and the radical, or the radicand, is being divided by the radicand. What is 28 divided by 2? 14. What is 150 divided by 3?
That one I can.
50.
My brain is.
Okay? Question, is 50 written in the lowest terms?
No.
50 can be broken down into 2 and 25, 5 and 5. I have a group of 5 that goes into 40. What is 40? 14. 14 times 5 is equal to what? 14 divided or multiplied by 5 is what? 70. 70. And what was left? 2. 70 root 2. Okay? That's one method. You can choose to simplify it after, or you can choose to simplify it before. If I simplify 150, that goes down to 3 and 50, which then goes to 2 and 25, which then goes to 5 and 5. I have a group of 5 here, so this becomes 5 root 6. So now the 5 and 28, can someone multiply 5 and 28 together?
140.
I'll get it like 140. 140 root 6 divided by 2 root 3. What's 140 divided by 2? 70. What's 6 divided by 3?
I shook the table. I goofed up.
Are they the same?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, awesome.
Stop swearing.
Yeah, well, you got the video on right now. YouTube just heard you.
I said, okay,
They said curse words.
Okay.
Flag.
Are we good? Does that make sense?
I said I was gonna temperature.
Oh my god. How did you It's just a different version.
I'm showing 2 versions here, Skylar. So version 1, guys, girls. Version 1. We just simply divide it right off the bat and deal with the simplifying after. Or we can simplify it now. I know that 150 can be simplified to 5 root 6. I apply that to the 28, and then I can divide it. Okay? I want you all to try this one. This should be a pretty easy one. 36 root 15 divided by 9 root 3.